Today I'm going to show you how to make crumpled can mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your object selection tool from the toolbar. Open the mode list at the top, and select lasso. Create a loose selection around the body of the can to select it. Now press Ctrl J to cut the body of the can from its background. Let's name it Can Body. Now from the toolbar, open your rectangle tool. And click and drag to draw a rectangle. Right-click, and convert it to Smart Object. Drag the opacity slider all the way to 50%. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Click and drag outside the shape to rotate it. Then right-click, and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again. And choose Warp. Open the grid list at the top, and select 3 by 3. Now use these handles to bend the shape, and match it to your can's body. Press Enter on your keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Go to Layer. And create Clipping Mask. Double-click on this, and rename it Place Design. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your design. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Let's go back to the file. And choose Save. And then close the document. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon, and choose the blending options. Now hold the Alt key, to split the white slider. And drag it to the left. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.